Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 92A St Kilda Road in Rivervale. If you've been looking for an easy care city-based home for the family or the kids going to university, then this is the home for you. With its generous sized rooms, good sized backyard, has the feel of a big home without the big home maintenance headaches. It's the perfect lock and leave. So come on in and enjoy the tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you've enjoyed the tour of 92A St Kilda Road in Rivervale. As you can see, there's plenty of room to move and there's a minimum amount of upkeep as well. To find out more details about the property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.